You're not gonna believe this, but I always check my fly fishing boots, and I literally got one on, one off because I dumped out this frog. So he's now in the middle of the street, and it's hot. Let's see if I can get him, and then get him put up. Try again. Come on. All right, little guy. All right, hello. So we got this little frog. I'm doing him a solid because it's my fault. He's out here as I walk with one boot. So I have people looking at me like I'm weird, crazy. Which, you know, they might have a point. But since he was hiding in my boot, I'm gonna go ahead and put him right here. There you go, little guy. You're my little friend. All right, buddy. I'll let you go. Say, that was a first. I can't believe that happened. Oh my gosh. That is funny. But I always check my shoes or my boots, make sure there's nothing in them, because these guys stay in the garage. So, good thing I did, or I would kill my little friend with my feet. So, always check your boots. That's what I got to say. So it's already starting out fun. Let's get back to it. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. Here it is right here.